Hi friends and welcome back to the Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. My name is Vadim and on this channel you will find the hottest offers and the best market prices in the Alicante region. And today I will show you a property for 65,000 euros with sea views. Located in Cabo Cervera, it's still part of La Mata, and we have a small beach, this one just 50 meters away from the property. And we have the bigger beach, the sandy beach of La Mata, which is just 300 meters away from this place. Well, also we have several bars here, we have a small supermarket here, we have the famous Valovento restaurant with sea views, which is located also in Cabo Cervera. And you will ask me, how I can come to Torrevieja or La Mata? Well, there's a small bus station which leads you anywhere you want, to Torrevieja Center, to La Mata Center, actually anywhere you want. And also we have on this place an installated people with wheelchair access, for people with disabilities. And today we have a bit seaweed, as you can see on the left side, and we have beautiful weather. Well, also we have a small healthcare station which is located just next to the beach for any injury or any problem you have. And now let's check out the property. So we are just next to the building, and behind me you can see the bus just came to pick up the people to bring them to Torrevieja Centrum. So on the left side we have the building where the property is, and very important, there's also a pool and a restaurant. The pool doesn't belong to the property, so you have to pay for the use per day. It's around 20 euros per day, I think. Well, and also very important, this is Miramar 1. So there are in total around 13 houses of Miramar located all around this urbanization, and almost all of them have sea views. And also we have several properties here for rent and for sale. And the prices are pretty good here. So starting from 50,000 euros, you get the property here for 65,000 euros with sea views. And now we will check it out, how it's from inside. So friends, now we are located on the third floor of the building, and the property is located over there. As you can see behind me, we have, even from the balcony, so even from the entrance to the property, huge and beautiful sea views. Well, and now let's go inside. Welcome friends to this tiny and small apartment. So coming to the apartment, we have on the left side a small bathroom with a small shower, and on the right side we have a small bedroom with a sliding door. Well, actually you can put a wall here, you can put a normal door here, so you have more privacy. Or you take away this wall and you have a small, well, studio apartment. On the left side here we have a small kitchen, of course also a dining area. And of course you have to invest some money in renovation here. But you're not buying this property how it is. You're buying the sea view for 65,000, which will never be taken away. You're buying a part of the coast. You can sit down here on the terrace, enjoy the sea views in the evening or in the day. You can hear the sea, and this is what you're buying, a part of the coast. I wanted to say thank you for your attention. Comment our video, share your opinion, subscribe our channel for the next hottest offers. See you very soon in sunny Spain.